First, you need to remove the seat pan. Loosen these 2 screws. Lift up on it, slide it straight out, and lay it aside. Then you need to remove this driver's stop bracket. Then you loosen your traverse motor. Just loosen the screws, you do not have to take them all the way out. You raise the tow board up. Unplug the wire from the seat to the base. Put it inside there. And then you need 2 people to do this, one on each side. And the one on the side where the traverse motor is, you'll need to lift the traverse motor up in order to move the chair backwards. Slide it backwards off the base and set it aside. First, you want to remove the Bellows wood. These 2 screws underneath here. Pull that side off, lay it aside, spin the base around, and there's 2 screws on the other side. This is the Bellows wood on the right side. Be careful of the foot switch wire when you're pulling it off. You have to raise it up over that wire. And lay it aside. Then you will need to take the Bellows loose. You got 3 screws on each side. Then you have to unhook the Bellows from the support underneath there. And then you should be able to take the Bellows off, lift it up from the back towards the front and slide it right off and lay it aside.
To remove the bellows support, unscrew the 2 screws that attach the foot switch to the base. Once these screws are removed, the bellows support will be able to be lifted out. When replacing the bellows, unscrew all 10 of the nuts that covered the bellow. Next, using a flathead screwdriver, press the pegs out of the bellow cover and remove the cover. Once this is done, you can remove the bellow bracket and replace the bellows. To reattach the new bellows, press the pegs of the bellow bracket through the bellow. Next, place the bellow cover over the pegs and push the pegs through the bellow cover. Replace the nuts. Place the bellow assembly back on the chair base with the slotted side of the bellow cover on the same side as the plug. Then, using your fingers or a screwdriver, pull the bottom of the bellows onto the bellow support. Replace all screws on the bellow cover, and then replace the wooden cover with the corresponding screws.
For more information, visit www.exceldentalparts.com.